Your roof is one of the most important parts of your home. It protects your family, your belongings, and the structure itself from Plymouth's unpredictable weather, from heavy rain and coastal winds to winter snow. While roofs are built to last, they don't last forever. Spotting problems early can save you from costly repairs or even a full roof replacement. Here are the top signs that your roof needs immediate attention. Water leaks and stains. If you notice water dripping inside your home or brown stains spreading across ceilings and walls, it's a red flag. Leaks indicate that water is seeping through the roof and damaging the layers underneath. In Plymouth's climate, where rainfall is common, ignoring a small leak can quickly lead to mold growth, rotting wood, and weakened insulation. Missing or damaged shingles. Shingles are your roof's first line of defense. When they are cracked, curling, or missing altogether, your home becomes vulnerable. After a storm, check your yard for stray shingles. It's often the first sign of roof damage. In coastal towns like Plymouth, strong winds can easily loosen shingles, leaving exposed areas that let water and pests inside. Sagging roof lines. A roof should appear straight and sturdy from the street. If you notice sagging or dipping areas, this suggests structural issues. It could be due to water damage, excess weight from snow, or weakened supports. A sagging roof is more than just a cosmetic issue. It's a potential safety hazard that requires immediate professional inspection. Mold, moss, and algae growth. Plymouth's damp climate is ideal for moss and algae. While it may look harmless, moss traps moisture against the roof, causing shingles to deteriorate. Algae and mold can also spread into your attic and home, leading to health concerns. Regular cleaning helps, but widespread growth is a sign your roof's protective layers are compromised. Blocked or damaged gutters. Your gutters play a key role in protecting your roof by channeling water away from the structure. If gutters are clogged with granules, it could mean your shingles are wearing out. Damaged gutters that don't drain properly also allow water to back up, seep under shingles, and rot the wood. Ignoring gutter issues often results in costly roof repairs later. Rising energy bills. If you've noticed a sudden increase in your heating or cooling costs, your roof might be the culprit. A failing roof allows air to escape, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. In Plymouth, where winters are cold and summers can be humid, poor insulation due to roof issues can significantly impact comfort and expenses. Light coming through the attic. Visit your attic during the day and look for beams of light shining through. Any gap, no matter how small, means your roof has holes or cracks. If light can get in, so can water, cold air, and pests. This is a clear indicator that immediate repairs are needed. Age of the roof. Most roofs last 20 to 25 years, depending on materials and maintenance. If your roof is approaching or past that age, it's wise to schedule an inspection, even if no visible damage is present. Plymouth's weather conditions can accelerate aging, especially for roofs not regularly maintained. Why immediate attention matters. Delaying roof repairs can quickly escalate into bigger problems: structural damage, ruined interiors, and expensive replacements. By addressing warning signs early, you protect your investment and extend the life of your roof. In Plymouth, where weather conditions can turn severe quickly, staying proactive is the best way to keep your home safe and secure. Final thoughts. Your roof works hard every day to protect you. Regular inspections and quick responses to warning signs ensure it continues to do its job. If you've noticed any of these issues, leaks, sagging, missing shingles, or rising energy bills, it's time to call a trusted roofing professional in Plymouth. Immediate action today can save you from costly repairs tomorrow.